Hello all, I am Nisma Mustafa and welcome to the first video in my channel. In this channel, I hope you will find some helpful videos that will help you improve your language, whether you are a student or even an adult who's aiming to be better in English. So enough with the talk and let's start right away with our video. Today we're going to learn about some magic. But before we start, I want to tell you something that of course you know. We can divide the English alphabet into vowels and consonants. In English, we have 5 vowel letters, which are A, E, I, O, and U. And the rest of the letters are called consonants, like the B, C, D, F, and so on. And there is something else. There is a big difference between the name of the letter and its sound. Let me give you an example. This letter is named A, but the sound is A. This letter is named B, but its sound is B. Letter C, the sound is K. So there's a difference between the name and the sound. Why I'm telling you this, you're going to know. Back to the vowels. Remember what are they? A, E, I, O, and U. Vowels may have short sound or long sound. Let's start with the short sound first. Letter A, its short sound is A, like when I say flag, man, A. Letter E has the sound of like when I say bed or men. Letter I, its sound is E, like when I say wig or kid. Letter O has the short sound of O, like when I say dog or lock. Letter U has the short sound of A, like when I say mug or hot. But now, how can I change this short sound into a long sound? This needs some magic. So, let the magic begin. I'm going to use the spell which is called the magic E. For a magic E to work, it has to come to a word which has consonant, vowel, then consonant, and then comes the magic E. And when this happens, instead of saying the sound of the vowel, I'm going to say its name. Let me give you examples for this. Cap. The sound of A is A. Cap. When it comes to magic E, it finds consonant, then vowel, then consonants, then comes the magic E. So instead of saying the sound, I'm going to say the name of the letter A. So this word is going to be read as cape. Cap, cape. Another example, this word, hat. The sound of A is A, hat. When I add the magic E, instead of saying the sound, I'm going to say the name of the letter, A. So this word is going to be read as hate. Hat, hate. Another example, what about rob? The sound of O is O, rob. When comes the magic E, I'm going to say the name of the letter O. So this word is going to be robe. Rob, robe. Can you see the difference? What about this word? Cut. The sound of U is A. Cut. When it comes to magic E, don't say the sound, say the name of the letter U. So I'm going to read this one as cute. Cut, Now, are you ready for some examples for you? I want you to try to read these words out loud. Are you ready? Okay. This one is called game. What about this one? Can you read it? Theme. Can you read this one? Shine. What about this word? Stone. And the last one is huge. I hope you enjoyed our video for today, and I hope that you found it helpful. Please feel free to leave any comments for me, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.